In our goal to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius, stronger action is needed. Our current commitments and actions to nationally determined contributions are not enough to limit the global temperature rise. However, there is a powerful tool that already exists in our nature. Nature-based solutions are critical to human well-being and stability of the Earth's climate in the ecosystem. And the ocean plays a very essential role. The ocean is our planet's largest carbon sink, and it faces an unprecedented risk due to the increased impacts of the changing planet. Coastal habitats, also known as blue carbon ecosystems, such as mangroves, salt marshes, and seagrasses, are amongst the planet's most effective carbon store. If protected from further degradation, these blue carbon ecosystems sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and can keep in their biomass and in their rich organic soils for thousands of years. Countries must act now to implement and strengthen commitments to include blue carbon ecosystems in their climate action plans, and commit to increase transparency for carbon accounting and implementation process. Commit to incentivize protection, conservation, and restoration. Reduce exploitation and improve sustainable marine and coastal ecosystem management. Yet we know that it's not completely easy to stop climate change, as the temperatures are increasing and the sea levels are rising. 80% of the world's people live within 100 kilometers from the ocean, and 3/4 of the world's megacities are by the sea. Protecting coastal ecosystems can be part of the solution. They absorb incoming wave energy, adapt to rising sea levels, and can enhance food security for the local communities, providing more resilience and has lower costs than great infrastructures. The opportunity is there for countries to create climate-smart marine protected areas, including community and local level participation, and national adaptation planning all at the same time. Support climate-smart fisheries and small-scale fisheries with national adaptation ecosystem management to protect and restore our coastal ecosystem. We know developing coastal countries on the front lines of ocean and climate change will require increased international finance. Innovative financing, including blue bonds, carbon markets, and insurance options, are available on several sources to help coastal nations and communities. The Nature Conservancy estimates up to 85 countries produce such methods from marine protection. Supporting sustainable ocean economy can be a source of inspiration to increase ambition and innovation to enhance climate action plan. A healthy ocean can be a vibrant foundation as we try to look to recover on the devastation from the global pandemic. But our governments must undertake more ambitious methods to integrate ocean into strategies to enable sustainable implementation. Carbon is one other key to life, and we must respect that. We are made of carbon. We eat carbon. Our economies, our homes, and our means of transport are built on carbon. We need carbon. And there is one type of carbon that is a little more special than the others, and that is blue carbon.